Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. Today's video is my BoxyCharm for January. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not yet. Give the video a thumbs up and share it out if you do enjoy the content. It really does help me out a lot. And there's also that little join button right down below so that you can become a channel member for exclusive channel perks. Thank you to all of my channel members. If you are unfamiliar with the BoxyCharm, this is our base box for January. This is a monthly beauty subscription service where you receive 5 full-size products for $27.99. I quickly want to share, I do this for most unboxings, I always like to share with you this Guard Your ID. So as you can see on here, you can see that my address is crossed out already, and you can see BoxyCharm's address across the top. This little Guard Your ID is literally a little roller that you roll on top of an address, or if you get a credit card statement, bank statements, a little credit card, application, things like that. And it just is a super affordable, very user-friendly, easy way to just protect your identity. I just like to showcase that. They don't know I exist, so I like to showcase it. I think it's something that is a super practical and smart thing to have. So I'm gonna get my handy-dandy little tweezers here. And we're going to open up our box. Y'all know I do not get any spoilers. So this month is BoxyCharm Refresh. And I will show you what that looks like. I'm hiding the back from myself. And then on the back, we have all of our pertinent details. And you can also see my variation for my box. So this gives us all of our details. We will look at that at the very end. All right, first thing on top, something very long. This is a Dragon Beauty lip job liner and lip pencil sharpener. It says 2.0 cc. If that's the length of this liner, this is legitimately the longest freaking liner I've ever seen in my life. So we'll open it and look at it. And the few things I have tried from Dragon Beauty I've really loved. I had to open the other end to get the sharpener out. Hold please. They are a cruelty-free brand. Okay, so the sharpener feels super cheap. I mean, it's a sharpener. I'm sure it serves the purpose. And yeah, that is the longest liner I've ever seen in the history of liners. Hold on, let me grab a regular liner for y'all. So here's an LA Girl liner. And here is the Dragon Beauty one. So yeah, that is incredibly long. You're going to have this for an eternity. It is a standard wood pencil. I do love the shade of this. Let's see how it feels. Oh, quite creamy. I'm actually shocked. A lot of these pencil ones I don't really like. They're kind of, some of them can be a little bit tuggy. Oh, that's beautiful. Should we try it? Let's try it. Why not? I love these types of shades. Y'all know that. And right now I just have on a lip plumper, like the Too Faced Extreme something lip plumper. So let's take this off. Release most of it so it actually goes on. And, oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like that. That's really nice. I don't like the length, but I'm like that with brushes and stuff too. It's not a, Dragon Beauty thing. And I like that it came with the sharpener. So, all right, so far so good. I'm not going to put anything on my lips just yet in case we have something in here we can use. Next up is a glasses Durissa. Glasses. Dermalect. That is really hard to read for me. Dermalect Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Most likely not going to use this. It says 5-in-1 advanced eye treatment specifically formulated to address serious dark circles, reduce the look of tired and puffy under eye bags, lift and tighten the appearance of droopy lids. Oh. I mean, I might try it because, Mama has very heavily hooded lids. I'm going to let you guys know. Not my favorite product to have in here. Not going to lie. Next is an Item Beauty Lip Quip Lip Oil in the shade Come Through. Let me see if this is the one that I already have. It is. Okay, so I already own this. I'll put this, of course, in my pay it forward pile, but I've actually never tried it, so I can still test it out for you guys, and I think it'll look beautiful with this. Item Beauty is Addison Rae, I think that's her name. Addison Rae's line. I did get this from Sephora. Oh, okay. I like the doe foot on that. That smells amazing. Ooh, fruity, like mango? Oh, dang. That smells wonderful, y'all. Ooh. That's nice. That's real nice. Ooh. It's an oil, but I can feel it. Not stickiness or tackiness or anything like that. But I feel like it's an oil that's actually going to kind of stay on the lips for a little while. That's nice. Really nice. That smells so good. If you've tried this, let us know. And I will say, like, the component and stuff, it feels weighted. It feels nice and heavy. So I'm excited. Of course, I already have it, but that means I can pay it forward to somebody. So far, I'm loving this box. Let me put that back. Oh, I really like that. I like that a lot. Next is, we got more than 5 items. I guess they sent this as a twofer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I did get the shade dark brown, and then it has the brush number 78. I actually used to use Dip Brow years and years ago. Like when I used to do like Facebook lives and stuff like that, I used it a lot. They're not my favorite products now, although this is a beautiful product and I'm happy to have it, but I will put this in my pay it forward pal. Just with the way I do my brows and stuff now, I prefer to just go in with a brow pen and then set it with brow gel. Cause I'm lazy. And then last, but certainly not least, darlings, and then we'll get the box out of the way, is, ooh, a Wonder Beauty Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette. I have not seen this one. It may be a Boxy exclusive. I do want to see what it looks like. I try not to be wasteful at all with product. So if it's a color story or anything like that, I know I'm not going to use. Obviously, I'm not going to swatch it or anything. And we'll put it in our pay it forward pile. We can kind of get a glimpse on the back of what it looks like. I love Wonder Beauty. Everything I've ever tried from them, I've really, really loved. I love the packaging. I think that is so pretty. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pay it forward. Put it in the pay it forward pile. It is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. There's a nice, there's a nice mirror in here. It does fold all the way back, which I also really love. It's just a little too soft and too neutral for me. This is definitely calling to me, and that shade is definitely really beautiful. But I know me, and I know I'm not going to use it, but it's still beautiful. It feels nice and heavy. It feels substantial, but I'm also going to put this in my pay it forward pile, and then we are going to talk about some deets. I will say that if you are somebody, y'all know I like to get a lot of skincare. I'm fine with that. I don't really care one way or the other. But I know so many of you are makeup heavy beauties. So if you are a makeup heavy beauty fan in your subscription boxes, we have the palette, the brow product, the liner, the lip oil, and then we have one skincare product. So I think I like this box. Even though I'm not 100% sure about this, and I maybe am not going to use a couple products, I'm giving it 5 yellow hearts. I think this was a beautiful box, and I think it was a well curated box. So let's talk deets. Our Wonder Beauty, the Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette, featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rose hip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors. We're stretching that just a little bit. We're stretching the bold just a little bit. With shimmers, satins, and matte finishes that are crease-proof for all-day wear, and that is $42. It doesn't say that it's a Boxy exclusive, but I don't remember seeing this, so I'm not 100% sure. Next up was the Derm Elect Cosmeceuticals, the Revitalite Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Powered by multi-peptides and tightening agents, this eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, dark under eye circles, and droopy eyelids. The light diffusing pigments instantly blur imperfections and conceal damage, while smoothing and soothing cool tip applicator helps to stimulate circulation, resulting in instantly fresh and rejuvenated eyes. I think I am going to keep it. I'm going to try it, and I think I'm going to kind of include it because this is a more targeted treatment. I'm going to include it with my new Juvia's Place products that I got in my Trend Mood box, and this is $59, so if it works, I will 100% update you guys. I'm excited about that. Next up, we had our ABH Dip Brow Pomade and Brush number 78, the dual-ended brush set. The Dip Brow Pomade is a full pigment, waterproof pomade that can be used to fill in and detail your brows. The long-lasting, buildable formula glides on, dries down completely, and stays put, giving you effortless, natural-looking textured brows. The brush, oh, y'all thought that says 78. It says 7B. That would be why I need to wear my glasses. Oh my gosh. The brush 7B is a tapered, angled brush with synthetic fibers and is ideal for applying powder and emollient-based products to the brows. Use the brush to create precise, hair-like strokes or sweep color through the brow. Use the custom spoolie end to blend product through for a soft, natural-looking finish. That's $39 together for both the pomade and the 7B brush. Dursa. The Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Thanks to good-for-you ingredients like jojoba oil, almond oil, Camellia japonica, seed oil, and shea butter, this luscious gloss forms a juicy boost of hydration that keeps lips soft and kissable. I love this. Highly recommend. And that is $14. That's only $14. That's pretty damn amazing. And they are a new brand to BoxyCharm. And then last but certainly not least, darlings, is our Dragon Beauty 18-mile long lip liner. Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. Contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing, I agree, and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips needle-free. Keep your lip job liners on point with the single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener, and is $18 for both and a Boxy exclusive. I think that's a fantastic deal. You're gonna have this for a lifetime. Just you're gonna have it forever. Their clear gloss is one of my all-time favorite glosses. Their lavender color corrector was fantastic. I'm a huge fan of the products I've tried thus far. So yeah, I love this box. Love. This feels incredible. I think it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful with the look I have. And of course I'll pop our total right here. But yeah, I love this box. Definitely 5 yellow hearts. I think they nailed it. I think it's a beautifully curated box and 100% worth the extra few dollars in my opinion. What did you think? Are we box twins? What do you hope you get if you have not received your box yet? I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.